Hi, Lisa.
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you for coming.
Yo, that looks awesome.
Chopsticks like this.
Oh, wow. Hey guys, welcome. Shahid Ali Khan here. FoodStaKenya. Talk about Japanese food in Nairobi, Kenya. Yes, this is a hot spot. The chef is very popular, Chef Yuki. He's got a cool spot. It's called Chekafe. And you know what? I can't wait to try out. They are known for their dumplings, for their ramen, and their sushi. They also have a very interesting ginger ale juice. We're going to try that out as well. And I'm also meeting Lisa, who's going to teach me a bit of chopsticks. Nice. So that is the special ginger ale of Cheka.
It's made into a ginger ale syrup.
Okay.
Mixed with lemon juice.
Wow.
Some soda water and ice cream.
Interesting, guys. Special homemade ginger ale of Cheka. Oh, wow. This is so refreshing. For homemade, it's amazing. Lisa, tell me, how do you do this? By the way, I'm a lefty, so she identified that.
Okay, chopsticks like this. Use like this.
This
Here.
is, oh, here. Oh, and this here, like
Then?
this. Okay, guys, so far, it's like this. Okay.
This and then
This here.
it's like between.
Oh.
And then, yes, don't move this one.
Okay.
Just move here.
Okay, so this stays still.
Yeah.
This is the one that moves.
Yes.
So I do this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
there you
you
go.
got
Finally.
it.
Ah, not this. Let's go and see what the chef has to make. Chef Felix over here. Felix, what are these?
These are chicken dumplings.
Chicken dumplings. Okay, do your thing, man. Nice. Very interesting grill he's using. Yeah. Well, that's a Japanese kind of a grill, yeah. Oh. And that's like what, a sauce or something? Wow. Oh, and then you just cover it. Uh-huh.
Then we put for 7 minutes.
So you leave it like this for 7 minutes, and then it's ready. Felix's dumplings are being done. As they take about 7 minutes, David is going to show us some sushi, right, David?
Yeah.
Which sushi are you making?
So preparing cheka roll.
Cheka roll. This is house specialty or something?
So combined with tuna and salmon.
Yeah.
So I roll together to make it one bread.
I love sushi, so let's see. Do your thing.
This is my rolling mat.
Mm-hmm.
This is seaweed.
Seaweed. Wow.
Another name we call it nori.
All right, and that's the sticky rice.
Then I turn it up
Okay. Oh, interesting.
with my ingredients. This is now tuna.
Tuna and salmon combined, huh?
Salmon up
Yeah.
inside.
Oh, salmon up, tuna inside. Nice.
That is it.
Okay.
Then I roll it.
Oh, it's an art to do this. Very interesting. So you add the salmon on top. So again, you have to do this, huh? Stick together. It's chopping it off now. Wow.
Must be into 8 pieces of pepper.
Ooh, guys. Yo, that looks awesome. Can't wait to try that. It looks fantastic. What is that?
So we make it from tempura flour.
Oh,
After
interesting.
tempura, I get this one. So I used it for decorating the.
Can't wait to indulge into that. Let's see if the
Dumplings.
dumplings are ready, guys. All right, guys, there you go. The dumplings are, oh, these are ready. The watery kind of stuff becomes a bit thick, huh? Nice. Oh. Wow. I can smell it. Right, guys, now Felix is making for us the house specialty ramen. This is the chicken ramen, yeah? Okay. Wow, that's like ice.
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup. Oh, it's like the broth. Nice.
We always freeze them.
Oh, interesting, guys. I'm learning now. This is the first time, by the way, I'm making ramen, and it is here at Chekafe. When you come over here, we've got a nice seating area. There's a garden area outside. There's an inside area, and when you order your food, they actually make it right in front of you. That's amazing.
Braised chicken sauce.
The braised chicken sauce. Ooh, okay. This is interesting. It's not just the normal Maggi noodles you get at home. You just put water and just start eating it. There's a lot of process. As you saw, the flavor goes in, you know, and different types of sauces and soups that actually go in. And how it's even making the chicken breast. Interesting. Homemade noodles, guys. Oh, nice. So you make these yourself and then you just keep them in. Nice. Amazing! Look at it. I mean, seriously, this is a work of art. You know, it's not just like, you know, just boiled through. This is art. This is artistic. Can't wait to indulge. Wow! Look at this feast, guys, man. But first, I gotta remember how Lisa showed me. You know, how to hold that chopstick. She's like this. Don't move this. And then this one comes here. Let's indulge. Let's start off with the sushi, guys. Look at that. Oh, amazing. I love salmon. I just love how it's made it, man. And the crunchiness on top, this, it adds flavor to it. Let's try out the dumpling. This is how it looks. It's a nice, oily, juicy. Ooh. Oh, it tastes better with this sauce. So this is the ramen, man. Look at that. It looks so good. You just don't want to demolish it and spoil it. But you know what? We gotta try it out. 1,450 this one portion, guys. I tell you, one man cannot finish it. You can share it out, man. It looks really good. Time to indulge. Ramen, chicken ramen at Chekafe. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, wow. Guys, it's everything. The soup is so good. I'm telling you, it's tasty, super tasty. This, you can't make this at home. Let me not lie to you. Even if you try it, it will not come out the same. I can guarantee you that. Absolutely super tasty. Yum.